Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to start using Wise application. So first of all, of course, if you don't have a Wise application on your phone, all you need to do just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do is just go and sign in like me. So I'm just going to show you how to register it on this account or how to start using it. So let me just launch the Wise application, and let's just wait for it until it's launched. So here, as you can see, the cheap fast way to send money abroad. Of course, if you are like maybe in country X and you want to send money to country Y, this application will really help you so much. So as you can see here, it's up to 8 times cheaper than high street banks with hundreds of currency routes to choose from. Of course, you can hold plus 50 currency and convert between them in seconds. And of course, you will always get the real exchange rate and the low fees we're known for. Of course, it's trusted by millions. Just look us on Google or Facebook to see our happy reviews. We fully regulated. Let me just go back to that. So your money, as you wait, yeah, that's kind of okay. So your money safe and secure. So as you can see here, of course, if you want to register, all you need to do, just go and click at register here. Then all you need to do is just type your email. So for me, I'll type my email here and press on next. And of course, what kind of account would you like to open today? You can add another account later on too. So if you want to use multiple accounts, you can add multiple accounts later if you want. But now, if you want, you can maybe choose the personal account or even a business account. The difference between them, that the personal account you can spend, send and receive money around the world for less, but for a business account, do business or freelance work internationally. So let's just do the personal account here. Here, of course, you would like to choose the country. So for me, I'll choose my country here. Then I'll choose, of course, if they ask you to choose something else, choose it and make sure it's correct. Then I'll press next. Here, I'll just add my phone number and I will be back. Then as you can see here, after entering your number, all you need to do is just go and type the message that they sent you. So let me just type my message here and this, and then click on continue. Here you would like to create your password, so it should be at least 9 characters containing a letter and a number. So let's just create a password for me, and I'm coming back again. So here I created a password containing 8 numbers and a letter, or 9 numbers and the eight letter is of course a letter. Anyway, then all I need to do is just click at register. So here, if you want to protect your account with biometrics, add extra layer to security to your Wise app. Of course, if you have this biometrics on your phone, you can use maybe your finger to open this application. If you don't want to, if you want, of course, to do that, you can just click at set up biometrics. If you don't want, just click at not now. And as you can see here, what would you like to do now? Don't worry, you can come back to the other options later. So if you want to transfer money aboard to someone else or to you, if you want to order your Wise card, yeah, like if you want to pay aboard locally and online, or if you want to open an account in a new currency, so you can manage and receive money in multiple currencies. And if you don't want to choose now, just go and click decide later. And as you can see here, they will just maybe show you here if you want to compare your maybe currency with the global currency here. As you can see here, the amount of the money that you will save and should arrive by this day. So here you can maybe just click and continue. or just go back, do whatever you want. If you want to send to someone, just click on the plus. So we don't want to go through this right now. So as you can see here, you will be all done and you just registered with your account. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.